Section 5.2, Polynomials. Now, polynomials are one or more monomials added or subtracted. So an example would be something like 1/2 x squared y plus 2xy, even plus y squared if we wanted. That's a polynomial. Each of these are monomials added together. Very simple. Now, let's say we wanted to add polynomials. And we had 3x squared minus 2x plus 3. We're going to subtract, so I guess adding and subtracting will go together. X squared plus 4x minus 2. Now the trick with polynomials is we can only add or subtract like terms. So the only thing that's like these x squareds, these x's, and these number 3 and 2. But we have to do what it says in the very beginning. So 3x squared minus x squared. So we had 3x squareds and we lost 1x squared. We have 2x squareds. Negative 2x minus 4x is negative 6x. 3 minus a negative 2. Since we're subtracting a negative, we're adding. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And this would be our solution, or our polynomial. Now that's not terribly difficult, adding or subtracting, but if we need to multiply monomials, we have a little bit of a different process, and it's called the box method. Okay, so let's say we had x plus 2, which is more specifically a binomial, times a binomial, which is x minus 1. So we have binomial times binomial, because we only have two terms. We're going to set up our box. We have as many squares as we do terms. So we have 2 squares going left and right, and we have 2 squares going up and down. And we write our polynomials alongside. Now, if we had a trinomial, we would extend this box out if we needed another term. But in this case, we're just here. And we multiply to get into the box, so we have x squared based on our rules from last chapter. 2 times x is 2x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. And that's negative 2. And if we write all those out, we can combine the two middle terms because they are alike. So we have x squared, 2x minus x is positive x minus 2. And that would be our answer.